There are no job offers on the market. AI is taking completely over. Well, it took me a month to find a job. I've been searching for interviews. I've been trying to find a job for ages. I cannot. Well, I found a job way before I finished the course. You see, guys, there are as many views in this world as many pairs of eyes we honestly have. So in order for you to find out what has been happening in 2024, you would actually have to look into stats and step out of your head, because what you see is only your view. The stats will show you general view of the market. And also, if you want to find out what will be potentially happening in 2025, you would probably have to ask for a good guess the person who's been working in the world of tech for about a decade. And I think this guy can give you approximately really good guess based on all of my experience that I do have. But I will do it only for those people who will hit this big fat thumb up button below, subscribe to our channel, and also follow our Instagram and Telegram communities, links to which you can find somewhere there. Now, let me quickly remind you who I am, and we're gonna get started. My name is Sergey Khromchenko. I've been working in the world of tech for about a decade as the QA engineer, lead manager, and a senior engineering manager of SDET in the past. But these days, I'm helping people like you to become a QA engineer from scratch or to improve your existing skills. Now, let's get started. Now, let me tell you without any scenarios about 2024 and what's gonna happen in 2025. So, honestly speaking, 2024 started a little bit rough, but at the end of the year, it got much better, as it actually always does. I can speak on behalf of the last two groups that we've graduated. So in August, the 80% of the graduates from the tech bootcamp got job offers within 2 months of graduation. The October graduation group got about 20% of job offers after the graduation. What's gonna happen next? Well, no one knows. Right now, it's about a Christmas time, so I'm pretty sure there will not be many job offers. But what's gonna happen after this, what's gonna happen in 2025 is my favorite part, because we've got a new president here in the United States of America. Love it or hate it, whatever happens. I think he's going to do good for the tech jobs, for devs, for QAs, and everyone else. And here is why. Donald Trump is a fan of the big corporations. He is a businessman. He understands how does the economy and how do the businesses work. So what will he do? He will decrease taxes for large corporations. On one side, majority of us will be like, hey, we gotta pay less taxes, they gotta pay more taxes. On the other hand, think about it. If corps pay less taxes, they make more money. If they have more money, they will not just save the money, they will reinvest it into future. And where will Amazon, Google, Microsoft, Apple, and Tesla reinvest their money to? Most likely into new projects. And who will be creating those projects? Most likely software developers, QA engineers, designers, etc., etc., and etc. So regardless of what you guys think about Donald Trump, because I was born in Ukraine and I'm a US citizen. On the US citizen side, I actually like what he is thinking of doing with the economy. On one side, I'm not talking about abortion, everything else, that's a separate conversation, and hype to get more news, honestly. But if I would speak on the behalf of Ukrainian citizen, I would say that he's a not good pick because he will probably not do good for my country. Most likely. But regardless, generally speaking, for the world of tech, for QAs and devs, in my honest opinion, he will increase the amount of jobs on the market by decreasing amount of taxes that the large corporations have to pay. Now, you guys tell me, what do you really think is going to happen in 2025 by writing the comment right below this video. Thank you, and I'll see you next time.